Hey friends, welcome back! If you're in the Apple ecosystem and want your home security to just work seamlessly, privately, and smarter, this one's for you. Before we jump into the hardware, let's start with the foundation. Apple HomeKit itself. Today, I'll walk you through what it is, the key features you should look for in a HomeKit-ready security system, and my top picks. You might already have a HomeKit set up, but chances are you're not making the most of everything it can do. Sure, you might use it for basic things, like switching lights on or checking a camera feed from your iPhone. But do you know that you could directly store your security camera footage to your iCloud via HomeKit? So today, let's look at how HomeKit can truly level up your home management and help you build a seamless, encrypted, end-to-end security system that's both convenient and reliable. When you're shopping for a security system that works with Apple HomeKit, here's what matters. High-quality video, at least 1080p for HomeKit Live View, ideally 2K or 4K natively. Strong low-light performance without using harsh spotlights. Accurate motion detection, AI or radar to cut down false alerts. Local, private storage so you're not locked into monthly cloud fees. Easy integration, can trigger automations with other HomeKit devices, and works well with Siri. And here's the best part. There's a system that nails all of these and then some. Let's walk through my very first recommendation, Aqara Camera Hub G3. It's designed to work seamlessly with major smart home ecosystems and voice assistants. The G3 also supports Apple HomeKit Secure Video, giving you end-to-end encrypted recordings and the peace of mind that your privacy is always protected. What's more, with its built-in Zigbee 3.0 hub, the G3 connects and controls your Aqara smart devices, from lights and switches to sensors, all in one place. If you need more control, try the IR controller. It lets you make your existing infrared-compatible devices, like TVs and air conditioners, smart and automated. It also carries local AI facial recognition. The G3 can trigger personalized automations. Sounds pretty awesome. Good job, Aqara G3. Next is my fave, eufy S3 Pro 4-Cam Kit. This kit includes 4 S3 Pro cameras and the Homebase S380, giving you everything you need for a powerful, privacy-focused security setup. It works perfectly with Apple HomeKit, as well as Alexa and Google Assistant, so it fits right into your smart home. With stunning 4K resolution and max color vision technology, you'll see sharp, colorful video even in ultra-low light. No extra spotlight required. Whether it's daytime or nighttime, every detail stays crystal clear. The built-in Solar Plus 2.0 charging keeps your cameras powered year-round. And with the included backup panel, you can place them anywhere you need without worrying about running out of power. Dual detection using radar and PIR sensors cuts false alerts by up to 99%. So you only get the notifications that truly matter. No more constant pings from passing cars or swaying branches. The Homebase S380 comes with 16 gigabytes of storage built in and can be expanded to an incredible 16 terabytes. All your footage stays local, private, and secure, with AI that learns your habits and manages your devices more intelligently. And because it's fully HomeKit compatible, you can automate lights or alarms when motion is detected, while still enjoying full 4K playback in the eufy app. Of course, there are other products that can meet your needs, such as Logitech Circle View, which integrates seamlessly with Apple HomeKit Secure Video, offers a 180-degree field of view, weather resistance, and color night vision. Eve Outdoor Cam, a floodlight camera with motion detection, customizable zones, two-way audio, and secure iCloud storage via HomeKit. And WiseCam V3, which works indoors or outdoors, features starlight color night vision, sound and motion alerts, a mini siren, and IP65 protection, all providing reliable home monitoring with strong privacy and useful smart features. So there you have it, some of my picks for a HomeKit-ready security setup. Whether you want the all-in-one versatility of the Aqara Camera Hub G3 or the multi-camera power and storage of the eufy S3 Pro Kit, they deliver seamless integration, strong privacy, and smart features that just work. Check the link in the description for details. And now I want to hear from you. Would you go for a camera-only setup or the full smart alarm system? Drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart home tips. See you next time.